Frog Prince?
Yes, yes.
Join me as I try to transform into the magical Tiana from Disney using only makeup. Let's see if I can pull off this princess look. Let's get into it. Recreating Tiana's look is all about capturing her essence and style. Her green dress is iconic, but it's not about the color. It's about the way she carries herself with confidence and warm smile. So we're going to use this Nicka K eyeshadow palette, and it's called Lucky Charm. And I also have the Green Forest, and I also have Oh Honey. So I blend all of these colors together to achieve the look. So I did use some green and gold eyeshadow, which I do love. So I am applying that color in the inner corner of my eye because I want the color to really pop, and I want it to enhance the character with her confidence and her warm smile. So I'm making sure that I stay intact with that, of bringing this character into a real life form. So I'm making sure that I'm going back, applying the green eyeshadow so you guys can see it. So I just went in a little bit darker, and I'm just going back and forth, blending in the color. And I'm also making sure that the color gold will show. So I just went in and used my finger to apply my eyeshadow of the color gold. So far, so good. It looks really nice. So I'm going to use my concealer Camel. This is number 9. And I'm going to apply it underneath my brow. This really was the first step that I was supposed to do. But I got so excited that I just went into doing the eyeshadow. So I'm going to use my angle brush as well, and I'm going to blend in that concealer under my brow, because the brows are so important because it really creates the makeup. So, I had to go back and do my brows. So as you guys see, you see the nice arch, and it's a nice cleanup. And I did went back in with my eyeshadow because when I did apply my concealer, most of the eyeshadow did go away. So I just went back in and went in a circular motion, applying that green, and I went back in also applying my gold eyeshadow, which is my biggest look of the color of this eyeshadow. I love glitter. So I'm going to use my blackout eyeliner, and I'm just drawing it out. I'm just winging it out. I'm not making sure the angle. I'm just drawing, and I'm just going to go right in the corner of my eyelids, on top of my eyelids, and making sure that the eyeliner is there. So as you guys can see, it is there. Now I'm going to use my Tint Moisturizer by Ruby Kisses in the color Warm Coconut. I'm applying that right underneath my eyeliner so it can have a nice sharp cut of makeup, so look very nice and precise. So, and then I'm going to go in with number 08. This one is called, I think this one's called Golden. Either toffee or golden, this color, I'm sorry. And I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses setting spray as well to make sure that it is drying, and then when I blend it in, it'll look very nice. So as we're waiting, I'm going to show you guys what you're supposed to do first. You're always supposed to do your brows first before you apply any eyeshadow on. So I'm just showing you guys, I'm using the Nicka K number 09 Camel. And I'm just going right underneath my eyebrows very carefully. And then I'm going to blend it out with my angle brush. What I'm doing is coming down, bringing it down to my eyelids. And then I go a little bit across. You just have to be careful because you do not want to mess your eyebrows up. Trust and believe me, you don't. And you have to just do it all over again. So I'm just making sure that I am applying my concealer. And then now it's lash time. I am using Ebin eyelashes called Sassy, and I don't even wear lashes like that anymore, but I'm applying that close to my liner. And I'm just pressing down on it very hard so it can stay intact and it won't be flying anywhere. So I am putting that on now. So I'm hanging on to it and making sure that it stays in place. Now you see that I have both lashes on, looking flawless. Now I'm going to go to my lip combo. I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses Chocolate. It is a lipstick. I use it as a lip liner, which is perfect. I love the smoothness and I love the way how it blends on my lips. And I'm going to use my matte lip gloss. It's like a mauve color. And I'm just going to just keep patting just slightly. And I'm blending that in. And it looks very nice. It looks very natural. I'm just going to go in with my concealer Camel. I'm going to apply that around my lips because I want my lips to look very precise and look very nice and cute, just like the animated character Tiana. And so I'm just blending it out so it can look very nice. Now I'm using my lipstick as my blush, and I'm just going to use my finger to blend it out. So that's another hack. You can use your lipstick as your blush. So far so good. I'm loving the concept of this makeup tutorial. And my last step is that I'm going to use this powder. It's like a matte, so it helps from the shine because of the foundation, the concealers that I use. I will be using this one, and it just makes my skin glow even more and more calmer. So I do love this look. I think that this look is amazing, and you guys tell me what you guys think. Did I nail the look in your opinion? Or you guys could comment and tell me what you guys want to do another princess makeup tutorial. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget, guys, to support my merch.
Princess, you just kissed yourself a princess.